Alright, so this is the next question. Question 2 on this Venn diagram of two dimensional. In a restaurant, there are 50 persons, 20 of whom are eating yam, while 21 are eating beans. If 15 persons are eating yam and beans, how many persons are neither eating yam nor beans? So let's get started. Alright, solution. So it's clear that our inverse set here is 50. In a restaurant there are 50 persons, so our inverse set here is 50. Right, so 20 of whom are eating yam. Number of those eating yam is what? Is 20. So 21 are eating beans. Those eating beans is 21. If 15 persons are eating yam and beans, yam intersection beans 15. So what was it called? How many persons are neither eating yam nor beans? How many people are neither eating yam nor beans? How do you express that? Neither eating yam. Whenever you see all this word neither, no. So yam intersection beans or whatever you have, then everything will carry prime. That's the representation of neither, no. So the intersection of all the sets you have carrying prime is the representation for neither nor stuff. So this one now is unknown. This one, no, let me make it another value. Let me make it y. So it is unknown. It is unknown. So that's why I can put question mark because we don't know it. Alright, so how do we solve this? Even without, we solve it firstly without using Venn diagram. If you are not going to use Venn diagram, that means you have to proceed these parameters. If you are not going to use Venn diagram, you have to proceed this. How? What do I mean by not using Venn diagram? So it means that number of, you have to find exactly yam. We are talking about yam and beans. So to find exactly yam, y intersection b. So we are talking about exactly yam. So this one will carry prime. So exactly yam is going to be 20 minus. Okay, sorry. Please try to get what I'm saying. I've listed this now. So I said we are not going to use Venn diagram. That means you have to find exactly those that eat yam and exactly those that eat beans. Number of those that eat yam is different from number of exactly those that eat yam. Number of beans, those that eat beans, is different from number of exactly those that eat beans. Don't get me wrong. So number of exactly those that eat yam is represented as this. Y intersection of b. So that b will carry prime. That is, b is not part of what we are talking about this time. So exactly those that eat yam is what we are talking about. So how do you represent it? So you represent it like this, exactly yam. So the formula now goes this way. That number of yam minus number of yam intersection beans to find exactly those that eat yam. So what is the value they give us for yam? 20. So this is where both are joining. Subtract where both are joining from the one they gave you, from the number of yam minus 15. That's what? That's 5. So it is 5 persons here. Alright. So we have to find number of exactly those that eat beans too. Number of exactly those that eat beans. So since we are finding number of exactly those that eat beans here, this one will carry prime. So we are talking about number of exactly those that eat beans. So number of beans minus number of yam intersection beans. That's the explanation. So what's the one they give us for this? So 21 minus where both are joined. That's what? That's 6 persons. So now we have gotten this. So now since we have listed out this, we are only interested in this. We are no more interested in this because they have already given us number of those that did both. Since they have given a number of those that did both, we are no more interested in this. It's a different case if they did not give us this one. So we do it like the first video. So since they have given us number of those that did both, so we are no more interested in this anymore. So we are interested in this. We are interested in this, in this, in this, and in this. So that's the value we are interested in now. You understand now? So now to solve this problem, so you now put them to find this one now. Then you start from, as usual, combination of all the sets you are concerned about equals to the inverse set. So starting from here. Let's start from here. Number of this exactly yam plus number of where the two are connected plus number of exactly beans. Exactly beans, this one will be covered. Exactly yam, this one will be covered. Plus number of nidano. If nidano is not there, you just stop at here equals to the inverse set. But since nidano is given, then you have to add it. The number of this, that is, are neither eating yam nor beans. This is the expression equals to the inverse set. Alright, we are moving there. So this one now is I'm going to write it here. Number of yam intersection B prime plus number of yam intersection B plus number of yam prime intersection B plus y equals to this. So what do we have for this one? We have 5 plus 6 plus this one. This one is 15 plus 6 plus y equals to what? Equals to 50. So this one is 26, okay? 26 plus y equals to 50. CLT as y equals to 50 minus 26, which is equals to what? That's 24. Therefore, number of those are neither yam nor beans is equals to 24 portions. So that's our final answer. Alternatively, secondary school method. You draw your Venn diagram. Draw your Venn diagram. So you have your circle here. This is the one for yam. This is beans. This is your yam, and this is your beans. So as those that, where is it? If 15 persons are eating yam and beans, so this middle they have given us 15. So now in this place now, they say yam, number of those that are eating yam is 20. They give us from the question. So 20 minus 15. You know, assuming this one is unknown, we'll put x. That will be 20 minus x. So number of those that eat beans is what? Is 21. 21 minus 15. So this place is known, so you have to subtract it from this. And you have to subtract it from what they gave you for this. So at the end of the day, so neither no is always outside. Anything neither no is always outside the oval shape, but inside the box. So it's not part of them inside the classroom, it is here. So the word neither no will be here because it is unknown. Neither no this, they are not among the people. Those that didn't eat any at all. That's a neither no. They didn't eat anyone at all. So this place is your 50. Okay? So how do you now solve this problem now? So what you do is that, since they are giving you this one, there's no point saying that. There's no point putting negative for where two are joined anymore, since they have given you this one. It's only if this one is unknown, that's when we put negative in where two are joined. Do you understand? So since this one is known already, so there's no point putting negative in where two are connected anymore. From the first video as I explained. So now, this one has given us, I'm putting this arrow for you to understand what I'm doing here. 20 minus 15 equals 5 plus, I told you that at the end of the day, addition of the actual value inside the whole of this box should give you what you have here. That's just the illustration. By the time you add everything inside this box, must give you this one. That is 0. If you remove this one is 5, let's add everything together. What is to give you this one? Plus what? 15 21 minus this is 6 plus the one outside the over. So, but everything inside the box, if you add everything together, it must give you this. So that's what I'm doing. This one is 5 plus this plus this one plus this one equals to 15. That's 26 plus y equals to 50. Y equals to 50 minus 26. Then y equals to what? 24 peoples. Okay? To check. So what do we got for this one? To check now. To check, we have 15 here. We have 5 here, and we have, what do we have here? We have 6 here, and we have, what do we get for this one? We got 24 for the one outside the box. So let's add everything. If it will give us the 50 that's supposed to be here, 5 plus 15 plus 6 plus 24, 20, 44, so it's giving us 50%. Correct. So that is all for that. Very simple. So let's try to follow up with my explanation. It's no stress. Alright, so in the next video we shall be proceeding to 3-dimensional. That will be the last for set theory. 3-dimensional set. Love you guys. Comment.